Imagine you're investigating whether students who drink coffee before a test perform better. How you choose to study this depends on what you want to know. He writes qualitative, quantitative, and mixed on the board. If you want to know deep thoughts, emotions, and perspectives on coffee consumption, you're doing qualitative research. You'd conduct interviews, ask open-ended questions, and get responses like, "Coffee makes me feel like a god," or "I drank too much and forgot how to hold a pencil." If you want hard numbers, statistics, and trends, you're doing quantitative research. You'd gather data from 500 students, compare test scores, run statistical analyses, and conclude that students who drink coffee score 12% higher on average. If you want to combine both, congrats. You're doing mixed methods, the overachiever option. You'd gather test scores and conduct interviews to understand both the numbers and the experience. He steps back from the board, looking pleased. You must choose the method that best fits your research question. If your question is about trends across large populations, but you're only interviewing 3 of your friends, guess what? Your study is weak. If your question is about lived experiences, but you're throwing a bunch of stats at me with 0 personal insights, your study lacks depth. He gestures toward the board. This is just step 1 of the methods section. Next time, we'll talk about justifying your choices, choosing the right data collection tool, and making sure you don't commit ethical violations that would make College Board very, very upset. He picks up his coffee again, taking a slow sip. Because if there's one thing College Board loves, it's rules. And if there's one thing I love, it's making sure you follow them.